Hello friends and welcome back to Skill Sculptor. Today we're addressing a question that some of you might have. How to cancel your Astroline subscription? If you have ever decided it's time to part ways with this service, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's navigate through the steps together. The first thing you'll need to do is just to open your Play Store and click that button with your display picture on the top right corner. From there, select Payment and Subscriptions. Now select Subscription button. Well, I do not have any subscriptions, that is why there are no details, but if you are a subscriber, you will see something like this. After clicking the subscription button, just tap on Cancel the subscription and confirm it like this. And there you have it, cancelling your Astroline subscription in a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video.